Well, here in Pennsboro, West Virginia at the Boston's Antique Engine, Tractor, and Car Show, July 2023. First time being here. I didn't come and bring anything to show off today, but I had to run over across the border over into Ohio and pick up some dozer parts for the 1010 crawler. While I was at it, I thought I'd run over here and see what this show had to offer. I've heard nothing but great things about it. Seems like an awesome facility, and we're gonna walk around and check it out. All right, so my review on the end on my thoughts on the Boston's show was it was a very good show, very nice, clean facility. They have events throughout the year there, car shows, tractor shows, engine shows, and so forth, along with concerts. They had a very good dinner hall or, lunch hall there set up where you could buy something to eat and drinks and things under a big, nice canopy. Plenty of parking, very clean place. Everyone was real friendly and nice. I'm definitely looking forward to going back. It's located in Pennsboro, West Virginia off Route 50, about 2 miles or so off of Route 50. You can look them up online. They have a Facebook page. It's called the Boston's Antique Engine and Tractor Show, I think, or Car Show. Again, a lot of great things. I really enjoyed it. I think it would definitely be worth your time to go to. These people work really hard and do a great job to put that facility on. I definitely am looking forward to going back. Next time, I'm going to probably take a couple of the garden tractors and take them and show it off.